You found Paw Daddy's Blind Hog Barbecue. Today's video, we're making spinach dip. And of course it uses the ranch season mix as one of the main ingredients. Now spinach dip has long been one of my favorites. So if you're looking for a great spinach dip, then you're in the right place. And here's a link to my other videos that use ranch season mix as a main ingredient. All right, for ingredients, we need 2 cups of sour cream, which is the same as 16 ounces. You need one 1-ounce package of the ranch seasoning mix, a 10-ounce box of frozen chopped spinach, a 1/4 cup of chopped onions, 3/4 teaspoon dried basil, a 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 can of quartered artichoke hearts, and 1 can of diced water chestnuts. Now let me point out that the 16-ounce ranch seasoning at Sam's Club, if you buy it in that bulk container, is $6.58. And then at my grocery store, I have to pay $1.79 for a 1-ounce package. So you can save quite a bit of money if you buy it at Sam's. But the first thing you need to do before you mix anything is get the water off. Get the water off the spinach, get the water off the artichokes, and get the water off the water chestnuts, because you don't want to make your dip too soupy. All right, we want to combine all these ingredients in a large bowl. So then you just mix all the ingredients in that bowl, stir it around, get it mixed up, and then chill it in the fridge for at least 1 hour. Typically, this spinach dip is served in a hollowed out loaf of round bread, like Hawaiian bread. But I live in a 1-dog town, so I had trouble getting that bread in time for this video. So I'm just presenting mine in a suitable bowl. But keep in mind that if you're serving it at a party, then you're going to get a lot more style points using that bread bowl container. And you got the benefit you can eat the bread. So I think you're going to love this recipe. Please hit that like button on your way out. Consider subscribing, and I hope to see you next time at Paw Daddy's Blind Hog Barbecue.